Hello friends, so I'm starting on an old perm rod set, and this will actually be great because my hair is already pretty stretched out. Right now I'm just figuring out if I want a low pony or a high pony. Kind of go with like a mid to low range pony. Also, make sure you subscribe. Love y'all. Okay, let's get into the video. So for today's style, I'm using the Outre synthetic pretty quick wrap pony, say that 5 times fast, in springy afro in the color 1. It is linked down in the description bar. Y'all look at this hair. It mimics my hair. Obviously it's much longer, but it's going to look so cute. Just y'all keep watching. I'm using some beeswax cream just to lay the back of my hair, and of course I'm working in sections because I decided that I want to do like a mid to low range ponytail, and sections are needed. So you're gonna see me work in sections, moisturize my hair, get it laid down with some gel and some cream, brush it with a hard bristle brush and slick it all back. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you leave some love in the comments below, like, and make sure that notification bell is turned on. And when I'm not on YouTube, I'm on Instagram at Globetrottercurls. Give your girl a follow. So the edge control I'm using will also be linked in the description box below this video. I am using, just the basic everyday edge control. Didn't want to do anything too hard because I knew I wasn't going to have this style in that long. And this brush I'm using you can get from your local beauty supply store. So of course I gotta lay this hair with a satin scarf. It's just, honestly, it works for me. Even if you have looser curls, looser texture, it's the best way to get your hair flat and laid, honey. Y'all, this wraparound ponytail was so secure on my hair because it has a specified piece that you wrap around the ponytail and bobby pin. I taught a couple dance classes in this and the piece did not fly off, so that's a win in my book. Very easy to secure. Again, I probably just have my scarf on for about 30 minutes and then I take it off and I'm ready to go about my day. So this is the finished look, friends. I'm a fan of it. I've gotten lots of compliments so far. Just a quick and simple way to, do your hair if you're in between styles. Again, everything is linked down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel. We are growing, y'all. We're growing. All right, y'all. I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.